All right, we got the Black Friday. This is the Kobalt Black Friday 2024. Holiday season, buy one get one free for you guys that have all the Kobalt stuff and or want to get into. Guys, if you guys have professional level tools, Flex, DeWalt, Milwaukee, all those, a lot of these tools are not offered by your brand because a lot of, the flashlights, fans, all sorts of, just different types of tools that Kobalt does offer that your professional line does not have. And these are great for camping. These are great for the house. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I will leave you guys links down below in the description section of this video. Those are affiliate links and no extra cost to you, so you're just paying the price. All right, so let's go ahead and start here with the first, pretty much the one we have. Kobalt 24-volt V2 pack, lithium-ion battery and charger, 2 amp hour or 4 amp hour batteries. So you get 2 4 amp hour batteries, a charger for $159. All right, so this is the price. You go down here to the free gift with purchase, choose your gift. All right, you can do this on your phone as well. All right, you got the first one. You're going to be able to choose from the 24-volt brushless variable speed cordless jigsaw. If you guys don't know, all the tools from Kobalt, they are brushless. You got the Kobalt quarter range brushless trim router. Next one down, you got the 2000 lumen LED battery lights or flashlight or whatever we call it. You got the 3-inch 24-volt trigger cutoff tool. See more because we want to see more. All right, this is another one. 3/8 ratchet like this one. Most of the tools do not offer this one, at least in the same tool platform, or same thing with this cutoff tool. You got the 3/8 impact wrench, valued at $99. Here's another one. Brushless variable speed cordless belt sander, valued at $139. You got a paddle switch angle grinder. This is a 5-inch angle grinder. See more. You got the cordless brushless oscillating tool. Looks like it does come with some accessories. You got the 4.5 brushless cordless circular saw. So this is a smaller circular saw. You got a 6.5 brushless circular saw. You got this light. This is like a spotlight. All right, this is something that most tool brands do not offer. This is the 3/8 right impact wrench. Yes, this is an impact wrench. It's not a ratchet. Well, it is a ratchet technically, but all right. So 1 foot valued at $149. You got the 1/2 inch impact wrench. You got the 3/8 keyless brushless right angle drill. You got the 1/4 inch impact driver. Variable speed brushless reciprocating saw. You got 7/8 SDS plus variable speed rotary hammer. One-handed reciprocating saw. Wow, you can get the case stack. The Kobalt case stack 21.25 inch box, valued at $59. You can get the rolling toolbox with the handle, valued at $109. Yes, guys, this is a really good deal if you guys want to invest in something like this. And then just buy the other boxes because you're already getting that for free, right? If you already have all these tools. But a lot of these tools are great. Definitely check them out. I'll leave you guys the links to this 2-battery charger down below in the description section of this video. And also don't forget to hit the like, hit the bell. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.